30 clip hanging off the Ruger. And I got a clip full of shooters. And I'm in your dream, Freddy Krueger. Fucking with my niggas that they do, yeah. Cruising in the car with my shooter. Car with my 30 clip hanging off the Ruger. Right off my room, and I'm in your dreams, Freddy Krueger.
What's going on, YouTube, man? It's your boy Tactical Trail, and I'm back with another video, man. Hope y'all enjoy that new intro too. I know y'all seen that. Y'all comment down below what y'all think about that. And before we get started up in this video, make sure you go ahead and smack the thumbs up button, man. Comment down below and subscribe if you haven't already, man. As y'all can see, trying out a new audio, you know what I'm saying? Try to upgrade the videos a little bit. I feel like I need a camera next, you know what I'm saying? Just trying to elevate. You know, shout out to my supporter that actually gave me this mic and transmitter. You a real one for that one, man.
My nigga.
As y'all can tell by the thumbnail and the title, we're gonna be doing our top 5 things that you need for concealed carry for beginners, man.
It's like, oh, say less.
If you just not getting into the gun game or you looking to get into the gun game, stay tuned. I'm about to tell you why. These are the top 5 things that you need with concealed carry. Okay, so first things first, what I would say as a beginner, the main thing that you want to get is a comfortable gun that's comfortable to you. You know, you want to get a gun that feels good in your hands, you know, that you can get a good grip on, you know, nothing too big or nothing too small, like something that you can get a real good grip on, you know, something like my Glock 19, that feels good in the hand. And I got pretty big hands, but this was my first gun that I used to conceal carry, and this feels good, you know. Or you can go something like the Springfield Hellcat Pro, you know, if you got smaller hands or you a woman that don't have that much big of a hand, it gives you a good grip, you know what I'm saying? You can still hold the gun pretty good, you know, and it's about concealability, you know, how well you can hide your gun. So, you know, you don't want nothing too big because then you'll be printing and you won't be able to hide your gun that well. Damn Winchesters. I mean, the damn Federal bullets. Yeah, man, as y'all see, there was a little malfunction right there, but talking about good guns, also make sure you got some good bullets. These are some Federal, I think they 115 grain. As you can see, there's no projectile in the shell. And as you can see here, the fucking bullet is stuck in the barrel. I don't know how well y'all can see that, but get you some good bullets, man. I don't even know how I'm gonna get this out now. Look at this crazy shit, man. Look at this crazy shit. How did this happen, Federal? How did this happen?
What the fuck? Hell, man, hell no.
The bullet and the shell. How did this separate from the shell? Give you some good ammo, man. Anyways, like I was saying, you want to get you something that's comfortable in your hand, something that's small, that you can conceal pretty easily. You know, like I was saying about my Hellcat Pro, you can pretty much conceal this pretty good without somebody being able to see the gun on you. Okay, and then next you want to get you want to make sure that you have a good holster, man. You know what I'm saying? A good holster that's comfortable for you, for your gun, that fits your gun. You know, this holster look kind of big, but you can't see it. I'll show y'all. You can't see it, and it's comfortable, man. Shout out to Tim. I got this holster made by Tim. You know, and this is a Glock 19. I wear a size medium shirt, so you know, you can't even tell that I got the gun on me. But yeah, man, invest in you a good holster, then, cause you know, I used to be one of the ones that carry without a holster, just stick the gun right in my pants, you know. But once you get a holster, like your draws can be a lot more faster, smoother. It's more comfortable walking around with, you know. A lot smoother and faster. Get a draw. Be on that one. Yeah, man, make sure you get a nice holster that your gun can fit comfortably on you. You know, get one for your size, cause you know, I know some people got a gut, some people skinny. You know, get a nice holster your size, you'll be good to go, man. All right, guys, and another thing that I would say would be a necessity for if you're just getting into the gun, you're wondering everything you need for to be, I would say, a elite concealed carry carrier. You know, I would say stick with a round in your region, man. You know what I'm saying? That's why it's best to stick with 9mm, because as y'all can see, 9mm doesn't have that much recoil. You know, to me it doesn't. 9mm is not that snappy. No, you can control 9mm a little bit better. Then once you start getting a little bit too much dip on your chip and you want to go up to something like a big boy 10mm, I mean, it's just not for a beginner concealed carry carrier. This is not a round that you'll want to carry. I mean, and this is a kind of bigger platform. They make 10mm and smaller guns than this. You know, they make 10mm smaller guns than this. This is a kind of big platform, but just look at the recoil on this thing. And that's not what you want. You know, you want to be able to control your gun and be as fast as you can with it, because you know, you might have to have in a self-defense situation, you might have to shoot a little faster, or you know, you just want something that you can kind of handle. You know, 10mm, a bigger round, that's too much. Start with something smaller, you know, your 380s, your 9mm, your 22 Magnum, stuff like that. I mean, I don't recommend 22 Magnum, but yeah, I say start off with 9mm. 9mm is probably the all-around round that you can get for beginners concealed carry. And another necessity that you want to make sure that you do being a concealed carrier is make sure you always got one in the head. Make sure you always got a round chamber, because my favorite saying is, that's just like saying that you got enough time to put your seatbelt on before you have a car crash. You know, you never know when it might go down, and that split second it takes to rack that slide back, you'll be done. I'll show y'all a demonstration. Okay, so let's just say that I was in a self-defense situation, you know, threat coming to me, or got to neutralize a threat, and he's already armed and ready to go. Let's see, y'all comment down below which one is faster. You know that, or whereas you already chambered, you already got one in the chamber, and you can just come out the holster. You know, so yeah, always keep one up top, man. You know, that's a thing that will save your life. Keep one up top, because you're not gonna always have enough time to rack that slide back and get on target. It's best to just pick your firearm up, go ahead and get it busting, you feel me? And I would classify this next segment as a bonus tip, because you know, I don't know everybody's financial situation, and this right here could be kind of pricey, you know. I mean, but it's kind of like a buy one, cry one, because you know, you don't shoot these as often. I like to shoot mine kind of often, but just because I like to get the feel of how my gun would feel in a self-defense situation. But get you some hollow points, man. You know, you don't want to be shooting full metal jackets. I'll show y'all the difference. You don't want to be shooting full metal jackets in a self-defense situation, because you know, full metal jackets will go straight through the threat. You want to be aware of what's behind the threat. It might be something else behind the threat that you don't want to harm, or you know, you might be in your home. You might have neighbors close by, or your mama room or your son room or whatever that might be next door. But yeah, man, get you some hollow points, because they're designed to stop upon impact inside the target. So these things are not they're not cheap, but I'm gonna shoot a couple for y'all. So y'all got to like this video, man. Shoot my high dollar hollow points. So yeah, man, get you some hollow points, bro. Don't be out here carrying no full metal jackets, man. Just don't do it. It's not safe. and it's not, how can I put it? It's not safe, and I feel like it's not as effective as hollow points, you know, because with rounds zooming straight through someone or straight through a target, they got a better chance of surviving. But whereas with the hollow points, stop inside of them and spreading, you got a lot more damage in there. And last but not least, y'all, I feel like if you're gonna conceal carry, you need a flashlight, man. I feel like a lot of people should always have a flashlight on their firearm, because you know you want to be able to see at nighttime. Because you know crime happens at night. I mean, 9 times out of 10, a lot of crime happens at night. Bad things happen at night, and good things happen at night too as well.
Ew, you nasty ass bastard!
But get you a flashlight, man. I feel like a flashlight is a necessity for, you know, if you say if your house is dark, you know, you don't really want to take your hand out the firearm to turn on the light switch, or you might be out somewhere in this dark, or an unfamiliar place in this dark. But try to get a flashlight, man. You know, I feel like a flashlight is a necessity. Get you a flashlight. And this one right here is the Streamlight TLR 7A. Yeah, man, so they are my top 5 necessities for concealed carry, man. Make sure you have a firearm that's natural fit for you, that feels good to you, a nice comfortable holster in your firearm, well, to go to your firearm that's comfortable for you, because all holsters not comfortable. And hollow points, make sure you keep hollow points. That's a bonus tip. You know, make sure you go with a round that you can handle, man. You know, you don't want to be out here shooting 357 SIG if you can't handle, or 10 millimeter or 40 or 45, you know. So I say stick between 389 mil, whatever floats your boat. But get a round you can handle. And then last but not least, a flashlight. You know, flashlight, you never know when you're gonna be in a dark place, having to defend yourself. And since the hollow points was a bonus tip, last but not least is keep one in the head, man. Make sure you always keep one up top of your concealed carry firearm, because you never know when it's gonna go down. So you want to stay ready so you ain't got to get ready. Like I said, that's just like telling someone, oh, I'm not gonna put my seatbelt on because I have no time to buckle it before I crash into another car. So yeah, man, they are my top 5 concealed carry tips, man, for beginners. So yeah, man, that's gonna conclude today's video, man. I hope y'all enjoyed it, but I got to go, man, cause it's hot as devil dick out here, bro. Y'all can see how bad I'm sweating. I don't know if y'all can see it or not, but things I do for YouTube, man. Anyways, man, make sure you go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to comment what you think about the new audio. You know, let me know if it's a W or L. Do I need to make some adjustments to it? You know, let me know how y'all liking that. But anyways, man, make sure you like the video, comment, subscribe. Make sure you share the video, man. Tell your mama, tell your sister, tell a friend, and tell a friend you did what I'm saying. Always remember, bro, keep that shit tactical.